Dollywood recently announced that the uphill launch on Lightning Rod is being replaced with a more traditional high-speed chain lift. This results in the ride shutting down for the season on October 30th. Is this the end of Lightning Rod as we know it? Let's go ahead and find out. Hey, what's rolling, y'all? This is CoasterDolphin here, and today we have a very special news update regarding one of your favorite attractions, Lightning Rod. Lightning Rod is a Rocky Mountain construction wooden coaster that got some of its track replaced with iBox steel track in 2021. What makes Lightning Rod unique compared to other RMCs is the fact that the train is propelled up the lift with linear synchronous motors instead of a traditional chain lift compared to every other RMC. With this, Lightning Rod became the first ever wooden coaster to feature a launch of any type. Since this was a prototype design, it also came with the prototype reliability that most first of their kinds come with. Ride closure due to maintenance came as a result in its early years due to the unique launch system the ride had. Lightning Rod also had the lead car replaced with a smaller one and even outright removed, as you can see in this clip, to increase the reliability of this ride. In 2021, a good 2,160 feet of wooden track was replaced with steel iBox track to further improve reliability. Although this ride is much more reliable today than it was in 2016, downtime still plays a part in this attraction. So at this point, what on earth can be done to stop the ride from breaking down so much? The answer was simpler than you can ever imagine. Get rid of that problem child of the launch and replace it with old reliable lift hill. On September 12, 2023, Dollywood announced on their Twitter that Lightning Rod will officially be closing to remove the problem child of a launch that the ride has. The park even sympathized for the downtime the ride currently has and promises that more people will be able to ride it in the future. With the increase in reliability as a result of this refurb, surely this will come at a price of slower ride experience, right? Those beloved yeet hills experienced on the quad down will forever turn nothing but relaxing drops, right? If you answered yes to either of those two questions, it's safe to say that you have failed the quiz. Dollywood updated their website and explicitly said that the ride experience will remain the same once the coaster reaches the first drop. See, there's no need to worry, folks. The ride will still keep that 73-mile-an-hour top speed that you love, and the airtime on that quad down will still remain the same. With that all being said, that means the lift hill has to be just as fast as the launch it currently has at the top of the lift hill. Now, how on earth will they be able to achieve such velocity? It's simple. All they have to do is slap a Hellcat logo on the lift hill motor, and now you got a lift hill fast enough to finally beat that clapped out Honda Civic. My personal speculation will be Lightning Rod getting a lift hill similar to that of Tornado at Bakken. That coaster has a lift hill that had one too many espresso shots at Starbucks and completely sends you up it so fast that you just simply yeet up out of your seat at the top. I would honestly expect Lightning Rod to have a similar kick to it as well. With that all being said, this change is honestly the best thing to ever happen to Lightning Rod. Even though the initial kick of the LSMs will be missed, getting rid of those problematic LSMs will ultimately make the ride more reliable and open a lot more as well. For RMC coasters, traditional chain lifts have been a proven workhorse to maintain consistent uptime. Lightning Rod will soon experience the benefits of consistent uptime and ultimately improve the overall guest satisfaction at Dollywood. Quite frankly, I'm ecstatic to try out the new and improved Lightning Rod. I haven't ridden Lightning Rod since 2019, and I'm more hyped up than ever before to experience it once again. Dollywood is always consistently ensuring that a visit to the park is a visit to remember. Constantly upgrading existing attractions to be even better for guest experience shows that the management really does care. For this reason, Dollywood is one of the best theme parks in the world and is also ranked as the #1 theme park in the US according to TripAdvisor. What are your thoughts on the new and improved Lightning Rod? Are you excited to ride it once it reopens in 2024? Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on those post notifications so you can be the first to see my brand new content. And as always, we'll see you out in the next video. Bye-bye!